Learning with rhymes. Hey friends, do you know your colors? Let's say them together. Ready, go! Red, red. Orange, orange. Yellow, yellow. Green, green. Pink, pink. Blue, blue. Purple, purple. Brown, brown. Black, black. White, white. Very good! Let's try them one more time, just a little faster. Red, red. Orange, orange. Yellow, yellow. Green, green. Pink, pink. Blue, blue. Purple, purple. Brown, brown. Black, black. White, white. Brilliant! Let's try something fun. Let's say our colors backward. White, white. Black, black. Brown, brown. Purple, purple. Blue, blue. Pink, pink. Green, green. Yellow, yellow. Orange, orange. Red, red. Yay! You did it! Thank you for learning colors with me today. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more fun rhymes.